The art of design, how website design can boost your e-commerce conversions. If you're an e-commerce business owner, you know that having a website is critical for your business to succeed. But just having a website is not enough. It needs to be designed in a way that is engaging, user-friendly, and visually appealing to turn visitors into customers. In this post, we'll discuss the role of website design in e-commerce conversions and provide tips on how to optimize your website design to improve your conversions. The impact of design on user experience. Your website's design has a significant impact on the user experience, UX, of your customers. A poorly designed website can be frustrating and confusing for visitors, leading to a higher bounce rate and lower conversions. On the other hand, a well-designed website can be a powerful tool to engage and convert visitors into customers. This includes having a clear navigation menu, easy-to-read content, and visually appealing images. Consistency in design. Consistency in design is essential for e-commerce websites. This means that all of the pages on your website should have a consistent design and layout, including the color scheme, typography, and images. When your website has a consistent design, it builds trust and familiarity with your visitors, making it easier for them to navigate your site and find what they're looking for. Mobile optimization. With the majority of internet users accessing websites from their mobile devices, having a mobile optimized website is critical for e-commerce businesses. A mobile optimized website is designed to be viewed on smaller screens, with larger buttons and easy-to-read text. If your website is not optimized for mobile, visitors may have a hard time navigating your site and making purchases, which can lead to lost sales. Product images. Product images are one of the most important elements of e-commerce websites. High-quality images that show the product from different angles and in different lighting can help visitors make informed purchase decisions. Make sure your product images are visually appealing and of high quality. Trust signals. E-commerce websites need to build trust with their visitors to encourage them to make a purchase. This can be achieved through the use of trust signals, such as customer reviews, security badges, and a clear return policy. These signals help visitors feel confident that they're making a purchase from a trustworthy business. The design of your e-commerce website can have a significant impact on your conversions. By creating a website with a great user experience, consistent design, mobile optimization, high-quality product images, and trust signals, you can increase your chances of turning visitors into customers. At Sausome Services, we specialize in e-commerce website design and optimization. Contact us today to learn how we can help your business succeed online.